Are you one kind of person into smoking, or you are planning of venturing into smoking? Then it's very important you get to know of these major risks associated with smoking, because as today marks World No Tobacco Day, it's very important we create awareness on the dangers associated with smoking. If you are new to this channel, my name is Kojo Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. One thing you need to know is that every tobacco or cigarette you smoke contains certain kind of constituents like nicotine, carbon monoxide, some heavy metals, and even carcinogens, and they cause significant impact on your health. That is why in today's video I would want us to look at some of the major health risks associated with smoking. Number one is some form of cancers. Studies have shown that smoking can predispose you to lung cancers. There are even other forms of cancer that smoking can also put you at a higher rate of it. Number two is some respiratory problems. Now, smoking can predispose you to getting chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. It can also worsen asthma, and it can also put you at a higher risk of these pneumonias and all these infections that can happen in your lungs. Number three is it causes or puts you at a higher risk of some cardiovascular problems. Nicotine and other constituents found in cigarette and tobacco causes constriction of blood vessels. Now, it is the blood vessel that is transporting blood to all parts of the body. But here is the case, if it starts to narrow, blood won't be able to flow through the blood vessels to all crucial areas of your body, and that can predispose you to developing some heart conditions and even stroke. Now, one thing you need to know is that there are people that will not smoke, but they are always found near people who are smoking. These are the second-hand smokers. You might not be smoking the cigarette or the tobacco, but if you find yourself just close to someone who is smoking, you will get to know that you'll be inhaling all these toxic substances into your body. So one thing you need to know is that if you are not smoking, don't get closer to people who are smoking. Second-hand smokers are even getting some serious health conditions as compared to those who are smoking themselves, because they intend to be inhaling a lot of these heavy metals, nicotine, carbon monoxide into their body. Meanwhile, they themselves are not smoking. So you shouldn't find yourself close to people who are smoking if you yourself too, you are not smoking. I'm giving my viewers the opportunity to recommend some topics that they would want me to make a video on. So if you actually want me to make a video on a specific topic, drop your comment in the comment section and I will make sure that I make a video on such a topic for you. If you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people. If you are new to this channel, my name is Kojo Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession.